Today I'm going to show you how you can read an Instagram message without the person who sent it knowing that you read it. So we all know that basically when we read an Instagram message and we open it up, it's going to say seen. And really there's no way you can do it within the app. So what you actually have to do is use your notifications. So first thing you're going to want to do is go into your settings and make sure that your notifications are on for Instagram. So once we're in the settings menu here, then we want to go to notifications. From here, we want to scroll down until we see Instagram. And then we just want to make sure that we have those notifications on, and you specifically want to make sure that you have banners on, or else this is not going to work. So once we have the banners notifications on, what we can do is scroll down from the top. We're just going to swipe down from the top here, and it brings up our notifications. Now what you could see is that I have something from OfferUp here, and the message gets cut off with a ... But if I tap and I long hold on this message, then I'll be able to view the entire thing. So this is how you can get around and read somebody's Instagram message without them knowing that you have read it. As far as I know, this is the only way that works currently. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you have another way that this works, please let us know down in the comments below. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.